So you want to give away a course to build your business. Is it a good idea for you? Well, we're going to cover 8 steps or 8 questions you should actually ask yourself before you give away a course. But what I want to do before that is kind of go through the mechanics of how giving away a course works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at 2 different examples, and I'll show you the mechanics of it, and then we'll get into the details of it. But the goal in my example is to capture the email address. So I'm giving away a course in exchange for someone's email address. So technically people are paying for it, not money, but they're paying with their email address. And I'm going to show you 2 separate examples. Now, on the screen here, you take a look. I've got a site. It's Our Campus. And you can see in one of the tabs here, I've got the How to Give Away Online Courses, 8 Questions to Ask. And in fact, this is the course that we're doing right now. I'm giving it away. And if you take a look on the right-hand side, you'll see there's a click here to take this course. So I've got my course description. I've got a course featured image here, some course details people can go through. And if they want to take it, they can click here to take the course. So that's one example. I'm going to show you another example of another tab, which is another mini course that I have, which is called Create Custom Thank You Pages for New Course Buyers. So 2 separate courses. Both of them I'm giving away, but I want you to see what happens when people go to register or purchase these free courses. So let's see what happens. On this one right here, Create Custom Thank You Pages, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the orange button here, which is kind of our Buy Now button. This one says Log in to enroll. So if I click this, what's going to happen is this page is going to go open up. And this is the default login page for my site. So if someone already has a username and password, all they have to do is log in. And if they don't, all they need to do is click here to create an account. They fill in their details and they're automatically enrolled not only in the course, but in the Learning Campus. They're in my membership site. They're in. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Have I accomplished my goal? Yeah, they've created a username and password. They're in. I can add them to my marketing funnels. I can add them as a user in my membership site. I can introduce them to the community and I can have my onboarding sequence, but they're in. They've paid with their email address. So that's the first version where we've just got log in to enroll, and I'll just click it so that you see what happens. They click, it goes to the page I just showed you previously. Okay, so that's one version of giving away a free course. It's just getting people to register. What's the other way to do it? Well, let's go take a look at that other tab, which was this course. I've got this one set up differently. Now, the idea behind this one is I want people to at least have the opportunity to become a paid member or perhaps purchase some courses or just join for free. So the way I've got this one set up is it instead of click to log in or click to enroll, this one says click here to take the course. So if they want to take this little mini course that we've got set up, they read the information, they say, yeah, I'm interested. They click here to take the course. And what's going to happen is we've got this particular course set up where it goes to basically a pricing page. And in the pricing page, it's join free for instant access to the course library. But if someone wants to enroll free, they're going to get access to all of the free courses. If someone wants to upgrade to one of the packages they have, they can pay monthly. But if someone goes, yeah, I'm ready, I want to do it free, in this case, what's going to happen is I've actually got a product set up in my shopping cart, and I already have done this before, so there's a little warning. I'm just going to don't worry about that one. But this one is, hey, I'm going to buy something. I'm buying the free campus pass to get access to the site, access to the course. It's not costing me anything, but the mechanics behind this are different because what's happening is I'm actually purchasing a $0 product. I'm not going through the regular registration of the membership site. I'm actually purchasing a product, and I've got this product set up so that if they make or purchase this product, they automatically get a membership, they automatically get a username created and they automatically get enrolled in that same course. So 2 different ways of doing the same thing. What you've kind of got to decide is, how do I want to go ahead and do this? How many courses do I have that I'm selling? Is my membership model about becoming a member and having access to all of the courses? Am I selling an individual course? Do I have an upgrade model? So we're going to go through the different steps, but in the background you can always think, okay, how do I want people to actually have to buy my free course? Do I just need a registration, or do I want them to actually purchase something and have the option to upgrade at the time? Personal preference depends on the type of user that you have, the number of courses that you have, and a whole bunch of questions we're going to go over in these 8 questions that you should ask yourself before you start giving away your courses. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Think about how it applies to you, more about your business model and what the goal is. These examples I showed you, just 2 examples. I'm giving away courses 2 different ways, 2 different mechanics, sets of mechanics in behind. One is straight registration, one is a free purchase registration. So stay tuned, we'll be right back.